Hello everyone, this is our last unit, number 12, Finding Solutions, and we will see Lesson A, Preventing Pollution, Present Continuous Passive, Infinitive Passive, then Supporting an Opinion, Not Supporting an Opinion, Community Improvement, Linking Words, Reading El Sistema Social Change Through Music, and Writing a Letter to a Community Leader. So here we have different pictures. Says in the footage of the picture, it's just their little way of saying sorry we wrecked the planet. Then I tell you, since we bought this hybrid, I really feel we are doing our part for the environment. No, you see there's a lot of pollution here. My other car is environment friendly, and there's like an eolic fence here. There's no tree. So that's what we can see. No, so these pictures are very contradictory, right? So they are not making like a lot of sense. Okay, now let's gonna go to the next part. So we have vocabulary. It's environmental concerns. No, so environmental concerns. We're gonna match the words and their meanings. Then listen and check your answers. Okay, we're gonna we'll zoom in the next pictures. We have the phrases, and so it's time to listen to the recording.
Unit 12, Finding Solutions. Lesson A, Environmental Concerns. Page 114, Exercise 1, Vocabulary. Preventing pollution. Ways of preventing air pollution. 1.
Combine tasks if you drive. Combine. C. Do together.
2.
Commute by bicycle if possible. Commute. B. Go to work.
3.
Maintain your car so that it's more efficient. Maintain. D. Keep in good condition.
4.
Avoid products that come in spray cans. Avoid. A. Don't use.
Ways of preventing water pollution. 5.
Store paint and chemicals in safe containers. Store. F. Put or keep.
6.
Limit your use of harmful cleaning products. Limit. H. Control the amount.
7.
Discard paint and batteries properly. Discard. G. Throw away.
8.
Conserve water whenever possible. Conserve. E. Save.
Ways of preventing land pollution. 9.
Purchase products with little packaging. Purchase. L. Buy.
10.
Recycle any item you can. Recycle. I. Use again.
11.
Identify where trash cans are. Identify. J. Find or locate.
12.
Never dump motor oil on the ground. Dump. K. Put carelessly.
So I'm gonna show again the answers. Here we go. We have the answers. Now let's gonna go back with the language in context. We have language in context, promoting green travel. Okay, I'm gonna put the recording.
Page 114. Exercise 2. Language in context. Promoting green travel.
Bicycles are being parked in a whole new way in Tokyo. Commuters used to leave their bicycles on the sidewalks outside train stations, but people couldn't move around them and something clearly had to be done. Now, at Kasai Station, commuters can leave their bikes in a 10-level underground parking garage that is controlled by robots. Robots store nearly 10,000 bicycles a day. When commuters want their bicycles, they use cards to identify them. Within seconds, a robot finds and brings it to them. The Tokyo garage is so successful that more green garages are being considered.
All right. Now we have, how does the underground parking garage help? Green travel? Could Tokyo's solution work for you? Let's see. So, according to the answer, it encourages commuting by bicycle instead of a car. So that could be a great idea. Now in this section, we're gonna go in the grammar part. Section A, present continuous, passive, infinitive, passive. We have already seen the different types of passive voice. Let's gonna check them out and let's gonna listen to the explanation of them.
Page 115. Exercise 3. Grammar. Present continuous passive. Infinitive passive. Use the present continuous passive to describe an action in progress when you want to focus on the receiver of the action instead of on the doer of the action. Active.
Commuters are parking bicycles in a new way.
Passive.
Bicycles are being parked in a new way.
Use the infinitive passive after verbs like have and need when you want to focus on the receiver of the action instead of on the doer of the action. Active.
Somebody had to do something. People needed to put the bike somewhere.
Passive.
Something had to be done. The bikes needed to be put somewhere.
Alright, so then we have the explanation of the passive. We have here present continuous, passive, and the infinitive passive. So remember that the passive voice, the doer of the action becomes passive, so it's not relevant. So mentioning who did the action, it's not relevant. Now we're gonna go rewrite the sentence in the passive form and we're gonna compare with a partner. You can pause a bit in this moment. Now we're gonna check the answers. Okay, here we go. More items are being reused every day. Cars need to be maintained for safety. Water is being conserved in hotels. All batteries have to be discarded properly. Chemicals need to be stored safely. Even though that they look simple past, this is past participle. The formula is be plus past participle. And of course, it needs to be parallel of the tense that we are describing. Now, the next part, complete the sentence with the present continuous passive of the infinitive passive, then compare with a partner. And here we go. These are the correct answers. Okay, the Billabong clothing company has found an unusual way to make clothes. Plastic soda bottles and discarded clothing are being combined to make eco-friendly shorts. The company says that with this new material, environmental pollution is being limited. For example, 10 recycled bottles have to be used to make one pair of Billabong shorts. That means 10 fewer bottles in landfills. Currently, the shorts are being sold for about $50. Now we see the answers. We have environmental trends. It's which trends are happening in your town, city, or country. We're gonna check. Okay, we're gonna check them. More products are being reused. More water is being reserved. And for this activity, I want you to come up with some ideas, some things that in your city are done to save the environment. We have to use the present continuous passive or the infinitive passive. I want you to write 2 examples using both, okay? Using both of these examples, this infinitive, passive infinitive, or the continuous infinitive. Sorry, the continuous passive. Either way, you can use the passive voice with infinitive or continuous to answer the first activity of this video. And you can talk about your city, what are the things that are done to prevent pollution or other environmental problems. That will be pretty much it of the unit number 12. So remember to post your activities and have a good day. Take care. Bye.